Today in this video, I'm going to be teaching you a very powerful spiritual work, a love spell that will make him sorry and he or she will come back with much love and care. Okay, if your partner left you and you want them back, don't get it wrong. Some people don't want their ex back. They don't want their partner back because all they know is that once it's not working between them, then that's over between them. But if you're somebody that still love this person, it may be your girlfriend, it may be your boyfriend, it may be your husband, it may be your wife, as long as you want them back in your life and this other person has not moved on, meaning they are not married yet, they're still single, and you love them, you want to spend the rest of your life with them, then go right ahead and do this spiritual work. This spiritual work, this love spell is very powerful because I make a video about this before. For those of you that watch this love spell video, you will notice that it's very powerful and a lot of you came back with your testimonies. Okay, so yet again I'm making another spiritual videos love spell that will make him come back, and he will not only come back, he will come back with so much love and care. So my name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. On this channel I make videos for people that want to manifest love, money and all their heart desires. If you are interested in any of this, I want you to join this big family right now. Subscribe right now to my channel and turn on the bell so that you can always get my videos and you can always come and watch my videos. Okay, there is always videos for you every single day. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's get this video started. So what you will need is very simple. Is in fact it's something that you have right now, and if you don't have them, you can always get them from spiritual shops. You can get some of them from the supermarket. Okay, you need a toilet paper. If you don't have a toilet paper, you can get a plain white paper, and you have to get some salt, sea salt. I'm using sea salt for mine. Okay, and you make sure you get the perfume, your favorite perfume. Okay, that's very important. And you make sure you get a pen. You need a pen. So now what you're going to do is this. You're going to write the name of your partner, the name of your ex. Okay, you are going to write their name on this part, the first part. Okay, you write their name 7 times. Let's say their name is Precious, right? Precious, 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 Precious. Write it 7 times. If you know their last name, you can write it too. Just write Precious New Life. Okay, and on the other part here, you're going to write your own name, your first name and last name 7 times too. Okay, and in between your names and their names, you're going to write, come back to me with much love and care. Me and you are bonded together. You and me are in love together forever. You're going to write those 3 things. Come to me right now with much love and care. You and I are bonded together forever. You and I are in love forever. Those 3 things. So after that, you are going to write, you're going to pour some salt on the paper like this. Okay, you are going to pour it on the paper. Okay, and now you're going to grab your perfume. You're going to spray the perfume on the corners of the paper like this. See, just on the edge of that paper, here, here, here. So the significance of this perfume and the salt is to bind both of you together. If you're somebody that has a belief in names are very powerful. That's why you have to use their real name. Don't use their aliases. Don't use their AKAs. Don't use their street name. Use their real name. Okay? And then when you spray the salt on the edges, I mean the perfume on the edges, and you put the salt in the middle, you bind both of you together. That's why it's very important that before you do this spiritual work, you have to make sure that you are in love with them. Because the person that you love, you can do anything for them. You know, because you know that you want to spend the rest of your life with them. So after all that, you are going to fold the paper towards you like this. You are going to fold it. You're going to fold it. You're going to fold it. You're going to fold it towards you. This is what it will look like. Okay, let it look like this after this. Don't let the salt inside fall out. Okay, when you smell it, you can see that it smells really good. Okay, so after that, you are going to pray over it. You are going to make your intention prayer that I love you. You call their name 7 times. Precious, 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 precious. I love you so much, and I want you to come back to me with so much love and care. Okay? So I know you left me, but now you should come back with so much love and care and be with me for the rest of your life. Okay? Don't joke with this prayer, it's very powerful. If you believe in the power of the universe, it must definitely work for you. So after the prayer, you're going to take the paper and you're going to keep it under your pillow. If you don't have a pillow, keep it in your bag in a safe place where nobody should see this. Nobody should see it, and nobody should touch this. Okay, and it must never touch the ground. Make sure you keep it on your under your pillow, in your bag, in your purse, in your pocket, or you can keep it in a safe place, maybe your wardrobe. Leave it there and just go about your life, your normal day, and wait for what God Almighty is going to bring, what going to bring into your life. They will come back with so much love and care. In fact, you'll be surprised. So once this has happened, come back to my channel to share your testimony. Okay, give this thing some time to work for you. Don't just do it now and say, no, I've done it and it doesn't work for me. No, do it once and give it time, and it must work for you. So if you want to watch other videos that I make that are similar to this, you can watch it. Read the testimony under it and see for yourself what God has done for people. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos to help your life, to bless your life, to help you manifest money, love, and all your heart desires, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. I know you love me, and I'm sure you know that I love you too. Thank you so much. Bye bye.